Okay, hey, Denny Davis with the Crosby Group, here to talk about BlokAlert. It's an alert system that will allow you to signal a sound and a light beacon anytime that you're gonna move the crane or move a load. It's designed to keep the job site safe, and it can replace an air horn or a whistle. So I'm gonna show how we apply this right now. So here's our BlokAlert product. Super simple to attach. We got 6 heavy-duty magnets on the back, so it's gonna attach magnetically to the side of the block. It's also got swing-out handles for easy application and handling. Simply attach it, get it to the side of a block. Magnetically attaches, easy. So now I've got it. Now I've got my BlokAlert on. Anytime I wanna move this load or I wanna make a sound, I'm gonna simply press the button on the fob, release the button. It's a sound, 107 decibel sound, and it's a light beacon. We can have the light blue, green, red, or orange, and we can program over 500 sounds out of this device.